Hi there, this is Adnan Razi, and today I am going to present future and transformational marketing strategy for the future field of business. And the industry I have chosen is textile and clothing industry. So in this video, I am going to discuss that how the textile and clothing industry has evolved from the beginning till now, and what will be the future of textile industry. The creation of textile or cloth and fabric materials is one of the humanity's oldest activities. The history of clothing and textile traces the development, use, and availability of clothing and the textile over human history. Clothing and textile reflect the materials and technology available in different civilizations at different times. During the early 18th century, Great Britain was determined to dominate the textile industry. Laws forbade the export of English textile machinery, drawings of the machinery, and written specification of the machines that would allow them to be constructed in other countries. Britain had the power loom, a steam-powered mechanically operated version of a regular loom for weaving. Britain also had the spinning frame that could produce stronger threads for yarns at a faster rate. In 1786, two Scottish immigrants who claimed to be familiar with Richard British-made spinning frame were employed to design and build spinning machines for the mass production of yarn. The clothing of textiles also influenced the international fashion industry. Skilled textile craftsmanship and traditionally makers are a huge part of fashion industry. With specialized expertise, they manufacture fabrics and garments, create establishment and provided inspiration to designers all over the world. In every culture, there are different traditional textile crafts and ways of making that are commercially production of textile and fashion globally. Machines in modern textile factories turn out many miles of cloth each day. These complicated machines are run by skilled workers and operate at high speeds. The two basic processes involved, spinning and weaving, are the crucial part of textile. Spinning is the process of drying out fibers from a mass and twisting them together to form a continuous thread or yarn. The term spinning refers to the process of squeezing a synthetic liquid through one or more small opening and letting it harden to form a fiber. Weaving is the interlacing of two sets of threads or yarns, usually at right angles. The lengthwise yarns are called the wrap, the crosswise yarns are called the weft, woof, or filling. Very simple, weaving may be done by hand, but most weaving is done on hand or machine operated looms. The growing textile industry has resulted in growing demands for various textile processing and working machinery. Hence, textile machinery industry has also flourished in these days. There are plenty of machines available right from spinning to embroidery machines. The automation has helped textile industry to boost the production and improve quality and profits. The advancements in different fields like robotics, electronics, biotechnology, nanotechnology has added a miraculous improvement in textile machinery, processing and manufacturing. This huge industry offers numerous machines for almost all process in textile industry. The modern textile machinery is featured with electronic controlling system. The advantages of these machines are improvement in quality and productivity. The ability to control processing parameters of these machines has improved reliability. The PLC program added a new dimension to control individual parameters in the process. Many digital controls are incorporated in various textile machines to offer great control in processing. Many other devices such as strain gauge, thermocouple, load cells, etc. improve the operations of textile machinery. The combination of PLC programming and digital electronic controlling system has enhanced the production speed significantly. The continuous research and studies in textile arena have invented new fibers, improved process and processing materials, innovative testing methods which help achieve greater quality control and improve fabric characteristics. So these digital printing and automatic machines are providing a mass production to textile industry. Smart textile are fabric that have been engineered beyond their natural state to bring added value to the wearer. While the idea of smart textile may seem futuristic, many industries have been innovating such as fabrics for decades to improve performance, safety, effectiveness for athletes, explorers, and fashionistas. Types of smart textile. So, smart textile classifies in a three categories: passive, active, and ultra smart textile. Passive smart textile are statically functional against external conditions, including protection against UV light, waterproof surfaces, and conductive fiber technology. Active smart textile respond to external conditions like shape, memory, heat, storage, and thermoregulated fabrics. Ultra smart textiles sense, react, and adapt themselves to conditions including existing technologies in specify and wearable computers. E-textile are technologically enhanced fabrics and wearables that enable digital components such as slides, batteries, even small computers. E-textile are often created within the field of fibronics, which focuses on producing soft wearable fabric with embedded electronic solutions. Integrated sensors in a smart textile can basically measure anything: posture, body, and arm movement, biometrics, heart rate, etc. Measuring means data and info, and athlete and coaches are making use of it in order to improve the performance of the athlete but also his technique as well. Fabrics which change color, indicating a change in body heat, are becoming more and more popular among fashion designers. It sounds cool. These aesthetic smart textile are capable of enhancing the multisensorial experience of wearer. The vital biometric information sensed by the smart fabric can be used for enhancing lifestyle and fitness, monitoring health, medical conditions, and improving athletic performance. You can also access your smartphone's screen calls, check notification by just a gentle touch on a smart fabric you are wearing. Textile based sensors in the form of wearable computing device that can be attached to or worn on the human body not only can transmit the information but also can be used as a smart sensing device to access the mobile internet. These sensors represent a potential platform for the next generation of human computer interfaces. The continuous emergence of new conductive materials is one of the driving forces for the development of textile sensors. As a popular technology for the remote health monitoring, different wearable sensors have been proposed for the assessment of multiple parameters. These wearable sensors in human monitoring include the movement assessment and body temperature, interaction forces, pressure between human and objects, humidity, and psychological parameters including heartbeat and breath rate. As a growing approach for the wearable sensor system, smart textile offer the advantages of higher transparency between sensors and the user. Socio-culture conditions of a smart textile. As we have learned, there are many benefits of a smart textile. So with this, there are some negative impact as well. The two main challenges in developing smart clothing is ensuring the electronics still work after repeated washing, and the clothing isn't bulking and inflexibility as a result of being smart. Data privacy and security is one of the another main issue for smart wearable. So the online factor of smart wearable also impact the human interaction, demographic and psychographic. So if we talk about demographics, then obviously every age group will be attracted towards a smart wearable because as we have learned, there are many benefits of a smart wearable. uh, Smart clothes are beneficial for people with certain medical condition because they provide information about their bodies and isn't always easy to detect. Also for fitness conscious people, it is also very suitable.